Good afternoon, this is Micah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Our website is mobility316.com, and today I'm going to show you our 2016 Toyota Sienna LE. This unit here has 11,000 miles on it. It does fall under the manufacturer specifications for the 5-year 60,000 mile warranty. This van here has the brand new ATS rear entry conversion, and we're going to get right into that. I'm going to come up to here to the door. And the nice thing about these conversions, it's not a fold, it's one solid piece. Not a lot to go wrong with these things at all. It's got a clamp on each side. I'm going to release the left one. Come over here to the right. And I'm going to grab the handle. This ramp is spring assisted. Goes down easy to the ground. This is ADA compliant. This is the Toyota. It does have the 36-inch wide alleyway. Gives you 2 more inches in the Caravans. It is a 56-inch entry with an 86-inch cut. And of course, this unit has the backup camera, dual climate control. You can control the rear temperature from up here. And of course your passengers back here can control it. It's got 2 seats, vinyl, easy to keep clean if you want to use this commercially, if you got kids. Alright, we're going to go ahead and close it up. Just as easy as it opens, it closes just as easy. One hand. Just like that, we're closed up. We like to say if you can pick up a half gallon of milk from the ground, you can operate a rear entry manual ramp. Alright, we're going to do a walk around of the van. Again, this van has 11,000 miles on it. It's very clean. What's expected out of a van with 11,000 miles. What I'm doing here is I'm going around and I'm looking for any door dings, chips, something that I can point out to you. I'm just not seeing a lot. That's just a bug. It is a 2016, but this thing is just almost like new condition. Tires still got a lot of tread left on them. I'm looking down the body panels and I'm not seeing any waves. I'm not seeing door dings. For 2016, it's about as clean as they come. As mentioned, this is the LE model. It's got the power doors. Operate smooth. Nice seal there at the finish. It's got the power windows, power mirrors, power seat. This unit here has 11,002 miles on it. Fire it up. All of our lights turn on, and of course they go off. Driver's window. LE model, so our rear windows go up and down. We're going to test our mirrors. Everything works as it should. Good song. Air conditioner's already blowing. It's a little humid out here. It's nice and cold. And then my favorite, of course, it's got the backup camera. And steering wheel controls. Makes that nice and handy and safe if you're planning to use this van commercially. Keeps your driver paying attention to the road. Let's take a look under the hood real quick. Alright, taking a look at the engine bay. Just like the rest of the van, it's near factory, near new condition. No leaks, no ticks, no squeals. Currently, I did leave the air conditioning running. AC compressor sounds good. I'm going to get under the van. This is a very important part of the video. If you are buying a van sight unseen, make sure they get down and do a video just like this. If they don't take the time to show you the undercarriage, you could be buying yourself a paperweight. You go out there and you buy a van, you have it shipped to your home. It's nice and convenient. But if you get a mechanic, get under there, or you take your van to get inspected, and that thing's rusted out, you just bought a nice paperweight. I want to get you a good look at the passenger. And again, those doors are automatic. You just pull that handle, it opens right up. A lot of room up front. I'm going to grab that handle again. There it goes. And again, just a nice clean 2016. Let's take it for a test drive. Okay, we're going to take it on the test drive portion of the video. What we're looking to do here is we're going to get it up to 70 miles an hour. It's going to give you an opportunity to hear the transmission shift, the engine rev, and we're going to put the cruise control on. And the other thing I want to point out, this ATS conversion, it's got the 3-year unlimited mile warranty on it, but it's just a quiet ride. It doesn't rattle like a multi-fold ramp does, which you'll hear here in a second. Miles an hour. Quiet ride, and go straight down the road. One thing I noticed driving this is just a real comfortable ride too. I don't feel like I'm sitting on top of the van. I don't feel like I'm sitting in it. We're going to come up here to the off ramp and we're going to give it a hard brake. What we want to pay attention to is the steering wheel. Make sure it's not being jerked around. Again, there's no noise from that ramp back there. Hard brake. You've seen that with my hand off the steering wheel. No shimmying of the steering wheel. Again, a 2016 Toyota Sienna LE. Does have the power sliding doors with the fob. Very clean. I don't know if I've ever seen a 2016 this clean. So 2016 Toyota Sienna, 11,005 miles on it. Clean body, paint's good, tires are good. Everything on this van works as it should. It's like new condition. Very clean running van, drives good, straight down the road. more than likely has been garaged its entire life. Again, we are Affordable Mobility Solutions. Our website is mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. We have over 450 positive eBay reviews without a single negative comment. We've been doing this for nearly 8 years now with a 100% satisfaction rating with the Better Business Bureau. Give us a call if you want to save $5, $10, sometimes even $15,000 on your mobility van. Give us a call, 316-262-VANS. Again, that's 316-262-8267. Thank you.